Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to this epic video. Today, we'll be getting off at Strathfield to do some train spotting. So, I hope you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. And yeah, and this video is also dedicated to Grandad, who had died. And yeah. And you might be wondering, why did I say that Granddad died? Well, I went to that funeral and it was so sad. But like approximately 20 people went to the funeral and looked at the coffin with that photo frame of Granddad, or picture frame that I should say. Well, and I took a photo of him in hospital, and but when that funeral ended, all the curtains had closed automatically, and yeah. We have a Oscar H set the party, and I don't know what set it is. A suburban H set coupled with an intercity H set. And that's what we normally have in front. And with a D set. D67 to the Blue Mountains. And also we are about to have a Loiter A set to Penrith. It's so not straight. So anyway, let's watch the car. 2 minutes for the train. But you can't actually see the pit very well because it's a bit far away. But at least you can do train spotting here. And it's really awesome. Like, you know, and as you can see. And we're about to have a water exit. I think it's A36, and I don't know where it's going. But anyway, we're about to have a water exit. B11. And also, we have A69, or a warrant exit to the city circle. So, we're going to board it. Very wet floor. With A36 departing.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
B11 to Parramatta in Wards Pass set A69 doors closing with B11 too. At least you can go to the next carriage and go back to where you were. So, anyway, we have B22, the party. I think, I don't know what platform it was in, but anyway. I think it's going to Hornsby. That B set. And also, we have another one to the city circle. B5. Yeah, but also, we're about to have a train at platform 4. So,
While on the platform and boarding the train. Thank you.
and with A51 to per hour. At platform 4. So anyway, A51 departing.
Remember to keep a firm hold of your pram and apply the brakes while waiting on the platform. Thank you.
And our train will be coming in 10 minutes.
The next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to
Huh?
Barara
The
via
next train in 29 minutes?
Railfan, then Central,
That's mad.
Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations
Also,
to Strathfield, then all stations to
Yeah, this station's not that quiet. I mean, and that island over there is very peaceful.
The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Mount Victoria via Parramatta. First stop Parramatta, then
And our train will be coming. A service to Mount Victoria. So, anyway guys, this will be the end of the video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the next video. I'll see you later. Goodbye.